all this tension, a feeling I never was expecting. I don't see the pros, don't know the cons, forget the whys. Do you know why? Triggered inside this situation.
What's good, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. It's Kay, and today I want to share this unit with you guys from Ali Grace Hair. It has quite quickly become my go-to closure. So let me first show you what was in the little bag. First, they give you this info card that is really good. So if you're a first-time wig buyer, I really recommend Ali Grace because they actually have a lot to like help you with when it comes to like how to take care of your hair and discounts and stuff like that. So definitely check them out. And then they also gave me 2 free wig caps in my skin tone. Yes. So this is the actual wig. I love it. The only thing that I did was over pluck my part, but I'll show you. But this is how it comes. I love pre-made wigs, especially the ones from like Ali Grace in them, because they're so flat. I love that. So this is how the closure looks. I have bleached the knots, and then this is just the little tie thing at the bottom that I'm going to use to adjust the wig because it is a bit too big for me. And this is how the tracks and the clips look. Everything is very well made. The hair does not shed as much, but I did over pluck it like I said. But as you can see, it's pretty thick, so it's really good for like longevity. All I'm going to do when it comes to the lace of this hair is just take a powder foundation, or it's like a cream foundation, and I'm going to put this on the lace just so that it can match my hair better. And yeah, basically this is all I really do when it comes to customization. I don't want to tint it because I don't know how to do that, but yeah, this is how it looks. And then I'm gonna take a pair of scissors, and I'm going to cut the lace. That is simply what I'm going to do. I did install closure in my last video. You can definitely check that out if you want to see how to install, but I had a shoot on this day and I couldn't like keep one set of hair on, so I needed closures. So all I'm really gonna do is just put that on my head and then just work to flatten the hair at the top. As you can, I don't know if you can tell right now, but I did over pluck this mommy. It did come plucked already, but I didn't think that it was gonna be like enough. So I went in again, and I should not have done that. So what I'm really going to do to the lace that's in front of my head is just tint it a little bit more with that foundation, and then cut that excess lace on the corner that kind of like makes a white thing. I don't know what it's called, but yeah. Cut that off just so that it's not like bothering me. When I flip my hair, you can't see it. And then all I'm gonna do is start to flatten my hair. I'm just gonna brush it, and now you can see, especially in like the front. So all I really do when I do things like this, even when I like over pluck, not over pluck, even when I over bleach my hair, I just take some mascara. It's so simple. Take some mascara, put that where you wish there was more hair, and then take like a piece of tissue or something and then just rub it in, and then it works. It really does. The only thing is you are going to have to do it again after you wash the hair or whatever, but rather that, you know, than going out with like a wide ass pot. So yeah, all I'm really gonna do now is kind of work on flattening the hair. But this is beautiful hair, guys. I absolutely love silky straight black hair. It is 24 inches, but it's kind of long for 24 inches. I don't know, it hits in between like 24 and 26. Like, it's kind of long for 24, but it is sleek, it is shiny, it is beautiful. And yeah, I'm just gonna go in a little bit more with that mascara just to make sure that, you know, it's not looking crazy. But yeah, I absolutely enjoyed this hair. I will be wearing it again. I will be wearing this hair again. As you can see, just the shine, the luster, and it was not hard to straighten. It was not hard to straighten at all. So yeah, I definitely recommend this hair if you guys are looking for some straight hair. But I'm gonna take some mousse for the flyaways, and I'm done, honestly. So yeah, if you're interested in this wig, then definitely go into the description box. I will have a link to the store, a direct link to this hair, and just for you to check everything out. If I do get a discount code, it will be in the description box. But yeah, this is basically the hair, guys. As you can see, the reason why I like pre-made wigs is because of how flat. Look at the top of my head, girl. Look how flat that is. Okay, and then I'm gonna stand up real quick just to show you where it hits. But yeah, it's beautiful hair, guys. If you love this hair on me, then definitely check out the link in my description box and buy from Ali Grace. So yeah, thank you guys for watching, and bye.